And so we get that space in between our collider and our mesh. I can make this larger if I need to. And you can see here that I have a much bigger buffer between the two objects. Your instinct might be to set this to 0, but this is what you'll probably get. Your collider is intersecting with the cloth because the simulation isn't perfect. And so giving it a little bit of collision radius. So if you're having trouble with your colliders intersecting with your cloth, the collision radius is a good first place to tweak. So that's it for the basic setup for the Cloth Dynamics node in Blender 5.2. I hope this dispels any questions that you may have had about setting it up, and I will be creating other videos that help dive into some of the other features. But for now, I hope this inspires you to make something awesome. And until next time, I'll catch you later.